Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a public dataset in a BigQuery. Okay, so first up, you should go ahead and open up your BigQuery account. And once you're in here, go to the top left, okay, and click on Add Data. Now in here, go to the left panel. At the very bottom, we have public datasets. Click on it and wait for it to load. And once it loads, just for this example, I'm going to be using the free ones. Like so, and as you can see, we have a ton of data in here. Okay, for example, Zoom info, NYC, strong blockchain, even Google Ads, Google Trends. For example, I'm going to be using Google Trends. I'm going to click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and click on View Dataset. Now, in here, just wait for it to load. As you can see here in the left panel, that is now loading, and here we have Google Trends. So what we're going to do to view its table, just click on this arrow key or toggle node. Okay, we have international top rising terms as well as here. Okay, for example, this table, just click on it to open it up. And here we have this schema of this particular table. Okay, the field name, the type, date in integer, string, and date right here. Mode is nullable. So if you want to view the particular table, just go ahead and click on preview. And there you have it. Okay, if you want to view some more right here, like FDA food enforcement, like so, preview. And here you have the data. And here under details, we have the table ID created and last modified, and also the table expiration. That's basically how you add a public dataset in BigQuery. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.